What are skills in OpenClaw and how to use them? Skills in OpenClaw are modular extensions, essentially packages or instruction sets that expand the agent's capabilities beyond its core functions. They are often markdown files with metadata, prompts, and optional scripts, teaching the AI how to perform specific tasks like integrating with GitHub, managing Slack, or automating crypto trades. Skills build on tools by providing recipes for combining them. OpenClaw's ecosystem has thousands of community-built skills via ClawHub, but beware. Some have been found malicious, so verify sources. To use skills, first install OpenClaw locally, then discover skills by browsing ClawHub or GitHub. To install a skill, you can prompt OpenClaw in your chat interface or do it manually by placing the skill folder in the skills directory. Once installed, simply prompt the agent to use the skill. You can even create your own custom skills by writing a simple instruction file. 1. Set up the folder structure. 2. Write the SKILL.md file. 3. Enable the skill. 4. Test it. Alternatives to writing from scratch? Ask OpenClaw itself. Create a new skill for task. Many setups have a built-in skill creator, skill that generates the folder plus skill.md for you. 1. Browse ClawHub or GitHub repos like awesome OpenClaw skills for examples, then copy and modify. As a best practice, always run skills in a sandbox, review their code, and rotate credentials